Hello, I am very happy. Last week I was in San Cipriano. It is a magical place. I enjoyed it every moment there. On the Sunday that was the first day I arrived in the reserve at 9 a.m. I had lunch there at one of the stalls and spent the whole day hanging around. Okay, to the 3 p.m. I was eating fish, which was delicious by the way. And then around mm, 3 middle p.m. I was going to the place and buy some as souvenirs and be able to continue enjoying the beautiful of natural and its warm atmosphere. Then at about 6 p.m. we left on the bus until good adventure to see the beautiful sunset while I drank a delicious juice once ocean front. So I continued walking and stopped again on the beach. An amazing place full and some color sand, very calm. Finally, for the day, I took many photos and started my return trip. It was an uncomfortable experience. Thank you. I love this place.